In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the Onedrive shortcut in File Explorer. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, making it easy for you to customize your File Explorer according to your preferences. Whether you're looking to tidy up your File Explorer or have easier access to your OneDrive files, this step-by-step guide has you covered. To get started, first, we need to open the registry editor. You can do this by pressing Windows key +R on your keyboard, which will open the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type regedit and hit Enter. If prompted, select Yes to allow the registry editor to make changes to your device. It may sound a bit daunting, but don't worry. We'll walk through this together. Now, with the registry editor open, you want to navigate to a specific location. On the left-hand side, you will see a folder-like structure. Follow this path, HKey classes root, then CLSID, and finally locate the folder with the name 018D5C66453347 9B53 224DE2ED1FE6. With all the zeros and letters, it might seem like a jumble, but take your time and you'll find it. Once you've opened the correct folder, check if there's an entry named System.is pinned to namespace 3. If you want to remove the OneDrive shortcut from File Explorer, double-click on this entry. A small box will pop up. Change the value data from 1 to 0, then click OK. And just like that, the OneDrive shortcut will no longer appear in your File Explorer. But what if you want to add it back? No problem. Simply change that same value from 0 back to 1 and hit OK. This simple change will bring the shortcut back right where you want it. After making these edits, it's important to restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. Once your system boots back up, check your File Explorer to confirm that the OneDrive shortcut is either removed or added according to your preference. This method gives you the control to customize your File Explorer view, allowing you to streamline the tools and folders you use most. It's worth noting that when working within the registry editor, it's crucial to follow these steps exactly as described to avoid any unintended changes to your system. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials to improve your tech skills. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.